Alright, so I've been seeing in some forums and Facebook groups and stuff that some people are having issues with the tailgate button on their key fob. Either they put it in their pocket or the jacket or something, and they'll come out and find their tailgate is down, or they accidentally and unknowingly push the button twice on their key fob. Well, quite a few people are having the same problem, so I was like, well, let me see if I can find a solution to help these people out. So I found a way to disable this button on your key fob. It's in the Sync4 system, and there are some caveats though, so let's get to it.
Alright, so this is how you go in and disable the key fob tailgate release. Now there are caveats, but I'm going to go show you how. So you go to settings, you go to video or vehicle, go to tailgate where it says power tailgate, change it to manual tailgate. So that will stop your key fob from being able to open your tailgate. But it also will disable the tailgate button that is inside to the left of the steering wheel. There's a tailgate release, so it will disable that as well. But you will be able to open the tailgate as normal from the back. It will assist on when you lower your tailgate, but it will not raise the tailgate for you. So, alright, so my power tailgate is in manual mode. I have my key right here. I'm going to try to lower it. See, it will not automatically lower my tailgate. Now if I come up here and press the button, it still lowers itself. See, kind of like power-ish mode. It doesn't, let's see. Yeah, it will not raise itself. So you essentially have a manual tailgate now. So it will help you, it will assist you put it down, but it won't assist you putting it back up. See? So it is kind of a give and take kind of thing. So you'll stop opening it from your pocket when you don't mean to, but then you kind of lose some of the power function of your tailgate. But that is, so far, that is the only way that I have figured out how to prevent that from happening at this time. So I know this video wasn't for everybody, but if you have problems with your key fob and your tailgate going down, I hope this helps you out. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, more videos coming soon. See ya.